Hi, I'm Tiffany Windsor from Cool to Craft, and I'm excited to share these look of pearlized glass earrings. But the secret is that they are made with hot glue. The first step is to place your pattern underneath the silicone mat. When your glue gun is fully heated, hold it up over the pattern line and pull the trigger to start the flow. What I love about this glue gun is that the trigger is very easy to pull, and you can draw a long line with just one trigger pull. Once you have made the outline, fill in the design with more hot glue. While this first layer of glue is cooling, create your glue dots. You'll notice I'm keeping the glue gun in a straight vertical position, and you only need to gently pull the trigger to start the flow of glue. When you have the size circle you want, release the trigger and move the tip in a circle right above the glue dot to minimize the stringing. You will need 7 to 8 medium dots for the earrings on the pattern. If you want to create a pendant, you will also want to create the small dots. Okay, now we're going to get ready to apply a second layer of glue over the earrings. The first step is to prepare your glue dots. Pull them off the mat and check for any stringing. You can use scissors or just pull off the strings. Take a close look at each of the dots because sometimes it's difficult to see those glue strings. When all the dots are ready, the next step is to grab your tweezers and a toothpick before you add a second layer of glue. Using the same technique, apply glue over the first layer. If glue runs over and off the pattern line, don't worry, because we will cut away any excess glue. Right away, you want to add your glue dots. Use the tweezers to move the dots from the mat to the warm glue. Line them up and use the toothpick if you need to move anything around, because remember, that glue is still hot. You'll have a few minutes to make adjustments. Repeat for the second earring and let the pieces set for about 10 minutes for the glue to start to cool. Once you peel your pieces off the mat, you can easily see where they need to be trimmed to remove excess glue from the edges. To color your completely cooled pieces, sprinkle mica powder onto a piece of copy paper. I use the applicator that came with my mica powder, or you can use a cotton swab or your finger to apply the powder. Trim your eye pins to about 1/2 inch and gently push them into the top center of the earrings. Add your ear hooks and you are ready to wear these beautiful handmade earrings that are sure to capture attention and compliments when others find out they are made from hot glue. Happy crafting!